Here we are, 2025 Senior Design Day. Thank you everybody for being here. I see family members, so raise your hand and a big round of applause for our family members. So without further ado, I would like to introduce our own and beloved Provost Gabriella, who has given us the pleasure to be here with us today. And Provost Gabriella Scalata will give us a few words.
Thank you, Brahim, and hello, everybody. As Brahim just said, I'm Gabriella Scarlatta, and I have the enormous pleasure and honor of serving as the Provost and the Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs. If the Chancellor were here, he would explain you what the Provost does. So the Provost is in charge of everything academic. And so for a university, that tells you a lot, because that's what we do, academics. But it's always a pleasure to participate in these wonderful events where we celebrate the accomplishments of our students. And this is one of my very favorite because I love our engineering students. I see them a lot on campus. I see them a lot. I'm looking at the Robin Smart students. And some of you that I've seen for many years now, throughout the years, always with something smart, building something smart. So I cannot believe there are 80 projects this year at the Senior Design Center. I was just told with 330 students, so that's amazing, accomplished students. Some of them, I think most of them, are getting ready to graduate. Senior, right? But I heard from one of them today that he said he's going to stay and going to a master's program because he loves it here. That, to me, is mission accomplished for a provost when you hear this kind of feedback from your students. So it made my day, probably is gonna make my whole month of that comment. I'll think about it. So thanks to the students, obviously, for being so committed to their projects and to making this a better world. Thank you to the faculty, to the professor who worked with their students and held their hand. That is a huge responsibility, working with students, mentoring them, making sure that they're doing the right thing, because faculty have a lot going on in the research labs, in their lives, in their work, in teaching, etc. So I want to make sure that we also acknowledge the faculty for taking the time to working with the students. I want to thank the 52 judges who have gone very meticulously through each project. And of course, I want to thank our sponsor, Magna Corporations. We have two representatives right here. I want to thank them for being such a great sponsor and champion for our campus. So I think that that's all I'm going to say for right now, and I'm going to introduce the Dean of the College, Dr. Ghassan Kridli.
Well, this is a great day. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be here and celebrate with all of you. This is a day for the college to celebrate the achievements of its graduates or its senior students. Many of you, as the provost said, are graduating. So it doesn't warm my heart any more than to see the great projects and to visit with the students and see the great accomplishments. From what I've seen, and hopefully the judges agree, that each year the projects are a notch above, and that's credit to both the students and the faculty who supervise these projects. I know we have quite a few faculty mentors are here, and this also talks about their dedication and commitment to being here with their teams, and I've seen many, actually I've seen students mentoring students on presentation, I've seen faculty mentoring students on presentation during the week. So this is what it is all about. It's about our community. It's about how we work together to achieve what we desire to achieve. I think the students have gone through, some of you have done 2 semesters worth of work to get to where you are today. And some are in their first semester, so we look forward to seeing you in a future event. I want to say to the students who are, because I've talked to some students and they were saying, well, I feel bad because I'm graduating in the summer or in December, and I won't be in Senior Design Day, the big event like this, today's event. What I want you to know is, of course, you're more than welcome to come back and participate in the senior design event because we hold it once a year. However, what I want to tell you is last year, one of the winners was somebody who graduated, one of the teams that graduated either in August or in December. So you are going to be treated and get evaluated the same way as everybody else. So we look forward to welcoming you here. I don't want to take the time because I know it's about the students, but I really want to thank the people this didn't happen just overnight, and this took a lot of effort from quite a few people. And so when I read the list, you'll know how many people were involved in putting together this day. The provost talked about our judges from industry. We appreciate 52 judges who took time, a whole day off of their schedule to be here. Some of them are alums, so welcome home. We have the Alumni Advisory Council that actually puts an award, and so they've been working for about a week reviewing every single project, identified a subset to come here and review the projects to make these awards. So a big gratitude to them as well. So I want to start with the 3 C's in the Dean's office, Caroline, Christine, and Courtney, because they have been working and meeting almost every week. I think you'll see the list. You're going to be clapping for a while. Holly Martinez-Cookson is our digital marketing and digital media coordinator. So this is her first year and a couple of months, but she's done great work already. Brad and Joe from our distance learning office, who, like you see them with the cameras, they were throughout the presentations. Katie Dunn in her second week, and she's already been working and looking at the projects. We have the college leaders, Sue Gwen, Lauren, Peyton, Brahim, and John. I don't want to forget all the work that they've done. Our facilities team, our technical team. And again, I'm saying everybody because everybody deserves a great gratitude from me and from the students for all their work. Sean, Monica, Bridget, Matt, our advisors, Emma, Essie, and Amanda, Elizabeth from the Engineering Learning Center, Faith, Ian and Brian from ITS, Tom, and the entire CECS family. And I want to thank the faculty who also mentored these students. So let's give everybody a big hand and a great gratitude from me. I really hope I didn't miss anyone because I'm known for missing people every now and then, but I hope I didn't miss anybody this time. Again, I look forward to celebrating with you. Congratulations. And a big thanks to Magna for sponsoring our senior design for competition for one more year. Thanks. And I'd like to invite Brahim back to the podium.
Thank you, Dean Creedley. Again, I would like to continue under the same lines here, and there is another group of people that I wanted particularly to thank. Provost Gabriela mentioned the faculty, so I would like them to be recognized as well, especially our senior design faculty that are listed here. So a big round of applause for our faculty for the great job they have been doing. So one of the highlights of our senior design projects is that all of them aim at solving real-world problems, working with industry, community, with the faculty to make those places better. And one example is a team that we had last year as a senior design team. What they did, they worked on designing and implementing a portal, a senior design portal that we use this year to manage the entire competition, starting from January up to now. So it was used by students to upload their projects and abstracts. Students are here, can attest to that. Used by faculty, used by judges today to look at the projects and submit scores. So I would like to recognize that team. So one of the team members and the main developer in the team is here, Hattie, if you could stand up and be recognized here. So thank you, Hattie, for the great support. And we're really happy and proud of that because it speaks to the quality and the impact that our senior design projects have on industry, on communities around us. With that said, so we are going to move to what everybody is here for today, the awards. Okay, ready? Okay, so we had basically two competitions today. So as Dean quickly mentioned, so we have a group of students that are at their early stages in the capstone experience, and we have others that are finalized actually their capstone projects. So we run two competitions for these two different groups of students. So we will start with the first group of students, which we call Senior Design 1. What they did, they had a pitch competition. Every team had 3 minutes in front of a panel of judges who are not necessarily experts, and the goal is to convince them about the value of their project, the design, and the impact that that project will have. And we would like now to recognize the 3 best pitches or projects in this competition, and they are mentioned here. So if you see your project name, please come forward to receive your award. And each award comes with a certificate. So these teams are not ordered here. These are the best 3 presentations as identified by the judges. Please come forward to receive the certificates. All awards come with certificates and cash prizes. So if you can come over here. So what I would like to ask the winning teams is to stick around, because toward the end we'll take group pictures with the dean and others. So thank you again. So did you get your certificates?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it? All right.
Okay. Thank you. So congratulations again to HomeLink, keeping it fresh and easy lift. So now we will move to the second competition. Again, reminding you, these are the teams that finalize and end their projects. They're 2 semester, for most of them, projects. So we have 2 types of awards. So we have the honorable mention, and we have the best in department. So each department will have the best in, which is number 1 as ranked by the judges, and the honorable mention, which is basically the second in the department. So we will start with the second in all departments, okay? The IMSC department, industrial department, had only 1 team, so obviously we don't have a second for them. So they have only 1 team that competed this year, so they will not have a second, obviously. So the honorable mention across the 3 departments, CIS, ECE, and ME are, you can see them in the screen here, and they are invited to come over and take the certificates. So, Can Quest from CIS with Shams, Ahsan, Suad Omar, Ali Shudri, and Nizar Saleh. Bright Waivers with Rami Badawi, Muhammad Wahid, Abbas Al-Haraki, and Jawad Nasser. And Transfer of Inductive Dynamics for Energy Tide with Angela Mary Papa, Owen Gale, Hassan Termos, Jaden Smith, and Dylan Slowick. If you can come take your, and then wait for us over there, or you can go through the stage and then, yes. So hang around, toward the end we'll take group pictures with all awarded team. Congratulations again.
That's CIS, right? CIS?
So we have the other teams. So we have Bright Waivers again from ECE and Tide from ME. You can come around here, be recognized on stage, and then hang around for the pictures later on. Congratulations. Okay, now we go to the best in departments, starting by alphabetical order with CIS, Computer Information Science. And the best in CIS is Robin, with Jana Amin, Leah Mirch, Jody Jovan, and Miriam Harisa.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Best in department. That's amazing. Yes, best in department. Amazing. So, and I would like also to recognize the faculty advisors that worked for 2 semesters. Dr. Zhang Song, are you here, Dr. Song? Yeah. And so Dr. Zhang Song and Dr. Jacob Napiorski. We move to the best in ECE department. Dr. Su, I think, is not here, but Dr. Azim is representing the ECE department. If you can come over. So Dr. Azim will announce the best in ECE department.
Welcome everyone. The best in electrical engineering department is the group command crews. The members are Hadi Owen, Ali Awada, Muhammad Al Sayyed, Khalid Jaradat.
Cobra.
Next will be the ME department. I would like to invite Dr. Anna Argento to give the award and recognize the best in ME department.
Thanks, Brahim. Hello, everyone. I'm going to invite the winner of the Best in Department for Mechanical Engineering up here to receive their awards. The winner is Traction Force Microscopy System for measuring sex-based differences in pulmonary fibroses. Nicole Kormos, Emmett Reamer, Kenneth Connell Aralde, Rosa Carapia, and Micah Hagedorn. Thank you.
So if you remember, we talked about the IMSC department. They had only one team competing. So it doesn't make sense to say best in department. But we had judges still evaluate the team, interact with them, and they strongly agreed that the team deserved an award. They did an outstanding job, and we created this new award especially for them, the only team in IMSC department, and we're giving them the Outstanding Design Award. So please, please help me welcome the winners or the Outstanding Award for Facial Paralysis and Weakness Solutions with Shane Baker, Sarah Malek, Logan Henderson, and Jane Schwartz. And Dr. Georgia Ayub, thank you for being here.
Thank you. Congrats. Thank you. Congrats.
Okay. So before going to the best of the best in the college, we have another award, the Alumni Advisory Council Innovation Award. And I would like to recognize the great support and work that our alumni are providing not only to the college, but our students. We have few members here, so if you'd like to stand up and be recognized, please. 3 members? Okay. Okay. And I would like to invite Harry to come over on stage and talk about the award and also recognize the most innovative projects as identified by the Alumni Advisory Council. Harry?
So thank you, everyone. Every year, the Alumni Advisory Council finances the Innovation Award to recognize what we believe is the project which showed the most innovation and perhaps applicability. So every year, like the dean said, the projects get ratcheted up and up, and every year it gets harder and harder to pick the winners. But when we do finally filter them out, we're all in agreement that these projects really did some outstanding work. So we picked the top 3 projects, and then out of those 3, we picked the best out of those 3. So what we'll call these 2 is honorable mentions. There's a cash award of $250 each for each of these. So the first one is a label-free cell-sorting microfluidic device for CTC separation for diagnosis. And also honorable mention, we have CanQuest.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Love the white fedora. And then for most innovative project, we have a $500 cash award, and that is Manual Spark. So seeing the quality of the work that we've come up with this year, it only gives me faith that the next generation of engineers coming up will only build and improve upon what the current generation of engineers. So congratulations to all the teams. Thank you.
Now it is a time, the best in college. So the way we proceed with this award, so we look at the 4 best in departments and then get judges also to look at all those projects and decide who they believe is the best from those best. And the judges that decided that are obviously from our sponsor, from Magna. So we are happy to have Magna judges with us and representatives, and I would like to invite one of the Magna representative, Hussein Farhat, to come and say a few words and announce the winner.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you, everyone, for the great day. I'm so thrilled today to be here with you, to be presenting Magna as a sponsor for the Senior Design Day. And I believe this is our 4th year or 3rd year of doing so. If this is because of all of the amount of efforts put by our students, by faculties, by parents, to draft and make a mark in our automobile or automotive future technology, moving forward to a bright future. With that, what we witnessed today is kind of very big example that shows the amount of willingness and striving towards success in our future. I would also like to express my gratitude to all faculties, parents who worked hard on making this event successful. And I would specifically thank the University of Michigan for keeping us in this loop and making this inspiring event to be very impactful and very successful. Thank you all very much for your time and for your patience. So for the Senior Design Day Best in College Award competition goes towards, should we say it? Trace those, I don't speak Spanish, but I'm trying to. Okay. The Best in College Reward for Senior Design goes to Traction Force Microscopy System for measuring sex-based differences in pulmonary fibroblast by Nicole Carmos. Excuse me for not saying the names correctly. I hope I'm doing so. Amet Reamer, Kenneth Conwell, Oralde Rosa Carapia, Micah Hagerdorn.
Thank you.
Congrats. Congratulations again. Congratulations. 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 And of course, at this moment, we should not forget the project advisors and clients. Kaiman Novak, Kaiman Novak, and the instructor Alan Argento, Sayeda Ghani. Thank you very much. Again, we hope we did not take too long. I know it's very exhaustive and enthusiastic day today. Very successful. Congratulations to students, to their parents, to their supervisors, to teachers, professors, instructors, and to all coordinators who worked on making this event very successful. Thank you all.
We also have a second Magna representative with us, Joshua Karpenko, that I would like also to recognize. Thank you, Joshua, again for being here. Okay. So before, as we are concluding, I would like to remind the winning teams to stay around for pictures, but also interviews. So we are putting together a nice short video to share with all of you and the community. So stay around, winners, for the pictures and interview. Again, thank you for being here and have a great day.